guys, hi, namaste, welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. So today we are making French beans recipe and we are making two recipes here. So come on, let's start the recipes with me. Take beans, wash it and add water in it. Just boil for 5 to 8 minutes and here our beans is boiled. So strain these beans as soon as it is boiled. So remove the excess water in the beans and keep it aside. And now we will start these beans. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let's heat the ghee and we will add chopped garlic here. And later we will add this boiled beans in it. Stir it well, saute well. And then I am going to add salt in it. Salt for 1 tablespoon of salt. And then I will add the 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. This is very important, so it gives very taste to this sauce. And then lemon juice I am adding and just sauteing and keep it inside for 5 minutes. And let's this sauteed fire beans is ready. Now we will prepare for the sabji, French bean sabji. So let's take a pan. Heat oil of 1 tablespoon and then we will add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and let crack it well. And then I am going to add chopped beans, that is raw chopped beans I have added in this pan. And so saute it well with this jeera and the oil. Let's saute it well this guys. So just saute it. Let this beans color will change from light to dark. So here it is, sauteed beans, and I will remove this sauteed beans aside for a minute and let's prepare for the sabji. So I have taken pan and added 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Let this oil heat properly and then we will add mustard seeds, that is mohari, or in Sashvi, in Kannada and Marathi it is called mohari and Kannada it is called Sashvi. And just added curry leaves, saute it well, let crack it well or splutter these mustard seeds and the curry leaves. And so here I am adding 1 cup of onion, chopped onion I am going to add, and then tomato, chopped 1 cup of tomato. Together I am going to stir or fry well. Let this tomato gets mushy and soft and let this onion color gets changed into the pink, light bright pink. Everyone's making style is different guys, but you have to make changes in a daily recipe. So this is the best recipe and simple recipe. Just added the fried beans, sauteed beans, and then turmeric powder I have added. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Red chili powder you can add as per your taste. And then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I don't have coriander, so I am just adding coriander powder 1 tablespoon here. And stir it well, saute it well. Mix all these ingredients with the sabji and then add water as per your taste or as per your consistency. And so I am adding hot water here. 1 cup hot water I am adding. Just added little bit because I want to keep it dry. I don't want to keep like a gravy. I just wanted this sabji like a dry. So you can add the water as per your consistency. And so I am checking the sabji. It is still cooking. And here all the water is absorbed in the sabji with French beans. And just adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seed and then roasted peanut powder here. Just fry, stir, saute it well, cover with the lid for 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. And here French bean sabji is ready. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and thank you so much for watching the videos, and please like it. Thank you.